sound like you're going to be here next year, too.
Oh, absolutely. For sure. I'm going to be here. Every year they're going to have it. If you're not here, you need to be here. Bring your sons, bring your brothers, bring your neighborhood. And matter of fact, sponsor somebody. Sow it ahead. If you're being blessed, sow it ahead.
It's just a joy to be here. 14 years, and I've only missed 3. I always come as an empty canvas and let God paint the picture.
This is my 10th year coming. We just try to bring as many brothers every year as possible because it's the greatest thing I've experienced in my life.
We've been coming to the Mighty Men of Valor conference for at least 6 or 7 years, and every time we come up here, it's been life-changing.
Oh, MVM, man, about 8 years now, maybe longer, maybe about 10 years. I like MVM because they really take the time to pour into men in every aspect of your life.
Today's my wedding anniversary. My wife said, I'd rather have you a Mighty Men than home because you always come home a better man than when you